guys, it's Alexandra from Superior Science, back with another cool science activity. Today, using only cream and our muscles, we are going to make butter.
For this experiment, you'll need some heavy table cream or whipping cream and a small jar or bigger container if you're using more cream. Take the cream and pour it into the jar. Make sure the lid is on tight. We don't want to make a mess. Finally, start shaking. While you and I keep shaking the cream, let's learn a little bit more about butter. Time for a history lesson. Butter has been around for thousands of years. It used to be produced in bags made from animal skins. There's an old rumor explaining the first time butter was ever made. It says that a man was traveling on his horse with the sheepskin's bag of milk tied to the horse. After his day of traveling, he went to get the milk only to find it had turned to butter. This makes sense because the horse would have been moving up and down, shaking the bag of milk. What we're doing today mimics this process. Is your arm getting tired yet? Mine sure is. Milk contains fat, and cream contains even more fat. Different dairy products contain different amounts of milk fat. For example, 1% milk, 2% milk, and what we'll be using today, which is 35% milk fat cream. Milk and cream are unique because their fat molecules are uniformly suspended throughout the surrounding liquid. This is called a colloid substance. By shaking the cream, we incorporate tiny air bubbles into the fatty cream. This makes it look whipped. Soon, the cream will become so thick that it will feel almost impossible to shake. Although fat molecules are relatively stable, all this shaking causes them to become unstable. The smashing around damages the walls of the fat molecules, and because these molecules don't like the water surrounding them, they clump to each other. The water separates from the fat, and suddenly there will be liquid sloshing around your jar. By the end of all the shaking, you will be able to see the separated fat, the butter, and the thin buttermilk liquid. Using the lid of the jar, or a strainer, separate the two and save the buttermilk for baking. Making butter is quite a workout, but with patience and perseverance, you can achieve an impressive and delicious result.